Hey, what's up everybody? It's Jan from InSales Academy, and in today's video you're gonna learn whether you should focus on inbound or outbound marketing as an agency or a software development house. Make sure to watch this. If you're a software development house or an agency, you probably don't believe in outbound. You maybe have a sales team, but they really respond only to inbound inquiries, and they're more of an account management type of a person, but you really focus on inbound. However, your main source of leads is probably your network of founders or referrals. Bad. When you're thinking about your marketing and you're growing the company, you need inbound and outbound. However, you need a really good combination of both. So here's my breakdown. Inbound is your greater game you're playing. The game of inbound will manifest itself in a year or two. Okay, so it's a bigger play. So focus on inbound. However, you need outbound to keep you going. And outbound is a quicker way, but it requires really well thought out campaign, and 90% of 90 people will get this wrong. So they never figure out how to blend this together as a software house or a digital agency. So when you're doing outbound, you need to productize your service. Take the case study, productize it, have some value proposition there, include some numbers, and go after the same type of customer that you have developed the solution right now for. So if you've developed a solution for fintech, go after fintech startups and pitch them the idea to meet with you over the case study. Of course, you need to automate your process. You need to use different automation tools. You need to have your own CRM, and you need to write excellent cold emails that get at least 30% response rate. And that is an art in itself. So this might take you a couple of months to figure out, but this can really generate you up to 10 to 20 to 30 leads per month, which is great. So this is what you should be focusing on heavily. In the background, definitely focus on inbound. What do I mean by this? Many of you don't have any lead magnets on your website, meaning you don't have really a form or anything to download from the website when a lead hits your website. You might have some case studies or something, but that's not really that interesting. So make sure to create a really good piece of cornerstone content that you put as a lead magnet on the website, so people have to download it. So when leads come to your website, you should have at least 3 to 4 forms on your homepage and then on different pages, and make sure that they go into your funnel. So they download the ebook or whatever you have created. Really good, great piece of content. This needs to be figured out for a month. Couple of thousands of words maybe. Infographics, everything, really good. When they jump into your funnel, you need to keep them on the sequence of emails. So make sure you have a really good content strategy, at least 4 blog posts per month, and start sending them the sequence. I would suggest maybe each 2 or 3 days, send them a sequence through MailChimp or Aweber, and just keep them on the loop with your content, and don't ask anything from them. Don't ask anything. However, from time to time, let's say once a month, I would either cold email them or cold call them if you figure out who this is in your CRM, and ask them, hey, saw that you downloaded my ebook, and I saw that, I hope you liked it. What did you think of it? And they say, oh, it was really good. And hey, so listen, we recently helped a similar company to you create this solution and develop this kind of platform. I was just wondering, how are you guys handling this? And just pitch them on that. So this is how you're gonna create your inbound play. But first of all, you need to get the traffic to your lead magnet, right? How do you figure that out? Well, here's comes something into place. Well, you need to pitch yourself to be on at least like 20 podcasts in 6 months. This is all gonna be figured out with cold email. So make sure to use cold email to pitch yourself on podcasts, on YouTube channels that are really targeted at your audience, right? So if you're working for fintech now only, so go on fintech podcasts, go on fintech conferences, pitch yourself as a conference speaker. I do have videos on every single topic of this, how to do exactly this, how to pitch yourself as a speaker, how to do the podcast. If the audience is in thousands, you'll get the traffic to your website. But if you don't have the lead magnet there, they will just leave your website. They will not fill out your content, because I think it's 97% of people that hit your website just leave. I know that's the case. You don't really optimize your website very well. So make sure to, focus on that back end, on that inbound. And that inbound will create it's gonna stack up. And over time, in 6 months, you're gonna see a huge influx of leads. You just have to keep the traffic going. Another way is guest blogging. Don't blog on your site as well, but create a really good pieces of content and blog at least once a month on an influencer, huge influencer in your space. And they will send you tons of traffic to your website. So you need to capture that traffic with your lead magnet. All right, so when you have all this strategy for inbound, make sure to keep your outbound really, really going. And this way you create a monster and you can generate 50 to 100 leads every month. Ooh, that's awesome. Another way, make sure to list yourself in directories like Clutch or some other ones in your niche. So if you're a software developer, Google software development, top 10 software development houses. And just get on the list and pay the sponsorship and optimize the profile and be on the first page. This will create another lead flow for you. So these are the strategies you need to use. So both inbound and outbound. I would focus more on outbound in the beginning. I would keep the inbound in place. Like me, I'm doing the YouTube video because I know there's a traffic from this YouTube video going to my website. This is my channel for inbound. But my main source of leads is still outbound. So hopefully this was helpful for you guys. If you have any questions, I do have a Facebook group. Make sure to add yourself into the Facebook group. And this was really cool. So thank you very much for watching this, and visit InSales Academy if you need more B2B leads for your software house or digital agency or something like that.
Hey, did you enjoy this video? This channel is about cold emails, sales training, B2B sales, entrepreneurship, and general advice regarding to business. So make sure to subscribe and comment below. Comment if you don't like this video, comment if you like this video, and then subscribe somewhere here. I am very confused where to subscribe, so make sure to do that. Thank you very much for watching.